In this video, I'm going to show you how to show elevation in Google Earth Pro. Now, there's actually two things you have to enable. The first one is by going up here to where it says View, and then from here from the View, you want to enable the status bar. So as you can see right now down here at the bottom right, we have this thing which is called ELEV or elevation, ELEV, and right now it says 0 meters. So no matter where I go, it's still 0 meters. So you have to do one more thing to be able to show it, of course, correctly. You want to go to your layers over here on the left. You want to extend these primary database, and then from here under more, of course, you can see it says terrain. So you want to check mark on terrain. It's going to refresh, and then whenever I position my cursor, so my mouse on the screen, it's going to show me the exact elevation down here at the bottom right. So as you can see, for example, over here in this parking lot, it's going to be 96. Then I can move, for example, somewhere else in the world, like up here, it's going to be 134, etc. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.